Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with another tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys like the look I created. It's perfect for Thanksgiving or for whenever you want to wear it. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35O3 palette, and the first shade I'm taking is the shade Warning Label on a Colourpop E1 brush, and I'm just packing this all over my crease. I'm sorry if I sound weird in this video. I'm currently sick and my voice is kind of gone, but I hope you guys don't mind. So yeah, just pack this on all over your crease until you get your desired intensity. And next I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M456 brush and the color Ball of Fire from the palette. This is a super bright neon orange, and we're gonna start to blend out the edges of that first shade we applied. Also packing this color on so we can get the most pigment. As you can see, I do small circular motions as I pack this on, and this is just so we can begin to diffuse that harsh line that we had from the first shade we applied. But yeah, just keep on packing it on and blending as you go. Okay, so once you've got that on, I'm taking a Sigma E27 brush and the shades Consume and Flame Game from the palette, and I'm just gonna really begin to blend this out. Just really take your time with this step. This is what takes me the longest, but I go in really slowly and blend as I go, just in windshield wiper motions and circular motions, just a mix of both to make everything look seamless. See how everything just kind of comes together once you got the edges blended out? But I'm taking, I believe this is a Sigma E25, I'm not sure, but I have it listed down below. I'm taking the shade Warning Label again, and I'm going to mix that with a little bit of the shade Hypnotic. And I'm going to just bring that color back a little bit because we kind of lost it. But yeah, just add that color back, and I'm also just intensifying the outer corner just a little bit. So now for my favorite part, I'm just cleaning up the edge of my shadow, and for this I use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Nougat. This is my favorite concealer for this just because it's super full coverage and kind of thick, so it's easy to work with. I also use this concealer to prime my lids and to cut my crease. I do plan to do a tutorial, like a super step-by-step tutorial on how I cut my crease. So let me know if you guys would like to see that, but for now just enjoy this little bit. And I'm sorry, I'm running out of breath over here. The struggle is real. And now for the lid, I'm taking a Colourpop E3 brush and the shade Full Blast, and I'm packing this on the outer third of where I cut my crease. This color is like a super beautiful cranberry shade. These colors honestly don't look like much in the palette, but when they're on your eyes, they really pop and they look so pretty. The next color I'm taking is the shade Embers. This is like a beautiful orange fire shade, so I'm putting this in the middle, just blending that in with the shade Full Blast. So pretty. And lastly, for the lid, I'm taking the shade Frenzy. This is like a bronzy gold shade, and I'm putting this all over the inner third, just blending this in with the other shades we applied. So once you're satisfied with the way that looks, I'm just taking a little bit more of that shade Warning Label, and I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit just so everything can look nice and seamless. Okay, so once you've put on your favorite pair of lashes, I'm taking a Anastasia A14 brush and mixing the shades Warning Label and Hypnotic once again, and I'm just putting that all over my lower lash line. And now I'm just taking the shade Ball of Fire once again on a Morphe M456, and we're just gonna blend that color out. And now for the inner corner, this palette doesn't have like a nice highlight shade, so I just took the highlight that I used on my face, and this is from I Heart Revolution. I'll have it listed down below, but just put that on the inner corner as well as your brow bone. And once you've done that, then you're good to go. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.